Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see how to make a mouth-watering fish pickle. This recipe I have learned from my sister and today I am going to share with you. For this I have taken half kg of Vajram fish, which is also known as Sheela Mean, which I have already marinated using ginger garlic paste, turmeric and chili powder, and already I have fried it. Now cut into pieces, and once again I am going to fry it until it's going to get a crispy texture. For frying I am using mustard oil. This will add up some extra aroma and extra taste to the pickle. For masala I have taken 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 50 grams of fennel seeds, 50 grams of cumin seeds, 25 grams of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of black cumin, and all these masalas I am going to roast it until you get a good aroma. Now I am going to grind it into a mixer jar. Now grind this into a porous powder. This I have taken 100 grams of ginger, 100 grams of garlic. This also we need to grind it into a fine paste. We need 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of asafoetida, and salt according to your taste. And also we need to add vinegar. For making this pickle I am using mustard oil. Now heat a pan and add mustard oil. Let the oil get heated up. Now I am adding some fresh curry leaf. Just roast it well until the moisture goes out from this curry leaf. To this I am adding ginger garlic paste. Now cook this ginger garlic paste into this oil. We need to cook this until all the moisture goes out of this, so that we can store this pickle for longer time. The main step of this pickle is to cook this ginger garlic paste very well. We need to cook this until the color changes. You can see now it has changed into a light brown color, and also the oil is oozing out from the side of this paste. At this stage I am adding asafoetida, chili powder, and mix it well. You can see that there is a change in the color of this masala. Now it has turned into a red color. Now is the time to add the grinded masala. Now give it a good mix. Now I am adding the fried fish. Now mix it thoroughly with these masalas. Add salt according to your taste. Now it's the time to add vinegar. Here I am adding half a bottle of vinegar and also fresh mustard oil. You can add the oil as much as you want, so that you can store this pickle for longer time. Now mix all the ingredients together. All masalas, oil, vinegar, everything should coated with the fish. So once it is done, our pickle is ready now. We can serve this pickle along with chapati, curd rice, sambar rice, and you can store this pickle as long as you need. You can also try this. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my video. Thank you for watching this video.